Hello guys, welcome back to a new review. Today we have the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 5. As you already know from the previous models, the same round silhouette, only a little bit improved. Now it's like a handbag, beautiful. Only we don't have any more the legs, so it's more stable. Here on the front, beautiful logo, here down. Here up we have the Bluetooth button, volume button, on-off button and play and pause button. Very simple. Here on the back we have the auxiliary line in, charging port and micro USB port for service and to upgrade the firmware. Inside we have a 5-inch bass driver and only one tweeter. Is a mono speaker first of all, so you can pair him with the second speaker as well, but you're not gonna have that stereo separation, to let you know. The battery is only 3200 milliamperes, so here they can improve a little bit. On maximum volume we're gonna have like 2 hours of lifetime, and on medium around 5 hours of lifetime. Before to go with the sound test, I will recommend you to connect some good earphones, because the most interesting thing at this speaker is the bass. For the bass lovers, this is one, in my opinion, is one of the best speakers what you can have in the price range of 180 euro. My opinion, nobody can beat this little monster. So if you want a small speaker with a beautiful bass, I recommend you this one. I compared him a few days ago with the JBL Extreme 2. This one is much better on the bass. So let's go with the sound test, and you're gonna hear what I'm talking about. Let's go! Okay guys, I hope you are satisfied with my review, with the sound test. If you probably notice, I plugged the charger, and probably you'll notice is a little bit louder when it's plugged in. So maybe 3-4 dB louder than usual. So this is one thing what I observe according to my own use here. So let me remind you a few pros and cons before to finish this review. Battery only 3200, they can improve a little bit. A small delay if you watch videos as well, I forgot to tell you about this. And with when you charge him, you already observe, is a little bit louder. It's not waterproof. This in cons. In pro, in this price range is unbeatable, like sound quality and bass. is unbeatable. If you know any other Bluetooth speaker and portable better than this in 180, let me a comment and I will compare for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment if you need to know anything else about this little speaker. Thanks, see ya!